All right, thank you very much. A percussion closed, yeah, so you just go with no sound with my nails. And you could also open, yeah, close, open. Go down, that's usually on the beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4 would be down, 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 down. And then, and the eighth notes, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and the and is going to be the up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I add the and, it will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And sometimes I'm going to have an air stroke. By air stroke, I mean I'm not going to touch my hand, my ukulele, but I'm still going to make the motion. So here's an air stroke on the up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? I'm coming up, but I'm not touching. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here's the air stroke on the down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so by air stroke, I'm deliberately not touching my strings, but I'm still making a movement. So the air stroke could be on the down or on the up. And that is what's meant by syncopation. When I'm supposed to play, but I deliberately don't. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So the popular calypso strum has 2 air strokes. Down, down, up, up, down, right? Down, come up is the air stroke. Down, up. And then I do another air stroke, up, down. Okay, so down, air stroke, down, up, air stroke, up, down. How well you control not playing that gives this syncopated effect. One of the things I notice is that we as ukulele players, we're really good strumming when the chord doesn't change, okay? But when we're in the middle of a strum and the chord changes, what happens? We lose our place. Okay? So the strum pattern is down, down, up, down. Okay? It's kind of like the calypso strum, except you don't come up. Let's do that together. So down, down, up, down. Okay, I'm just using the percussive, muting my ukulele. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down. So the last down is accented, so make it bigger. Pluck every string one at a time, but with a straight thumb, okay, so that your thumb will rest on the next string. So on the C chord, for example, if I start on the G string, see, my thumb is resting on the next one. See? And the last one, there's nothing to rest on, so it just falls off. That's called a free stroke. So let's do that. That's a really nice chord. I fingered it really well. Through these one at a time to make sure all the chords sound good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the G sus4, instead of releasing any of your 3 fingers, just drop your pinky down next to your ring finger, okay? So let's do G again, and then I'll count to 4, then we'll go to G sus4. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, G sus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, G again. Okay, now the E chord. Now that's a difficult thing. One of the things you could do is you could cheat. By cheating, I mean you could just use your middle, ring, and pinky and just do that and not even bother with putting your index finger there because it's a difficult chord to do, and just not play the A string. So it's like, okay, if you're able to do it, then it's, and then you could release them to do the, for the E sus, and then E sus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next row, F chord. This is a different F chord. I would use my pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string. Okay, 1, and then when we get to the F sus 4, you have a choice of either sliding your middle finger down to the 3rd fret on the G string, or dropping your ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now there's another F sus 4 that might be easier. Let's try that F sus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next one, F. So you have a choice. Now let's go to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I slide my ring finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to D. Okay, now that we've done this, let's go ahead and use this strum pattern. Okay, we'll do it really slowly, and we'll do the strum pattern twice on each chord, and we'll just move on without stopping. Starting with the C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. C sus 4. G. G sus 4. G. E sus 4. Okay, second row, F. Ready, and. F sus 4. And D. 4. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and C sus4. G. One, 2, 3, 4. How was that? Were you able to do that? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, up, down. Okay, I think you're ready to play A Little Respect.